Hey everyone, welcome to Fahad Bytes. I'm super excited to share my first video with you all. Today, I'm going to build a cool WPF project from scratch, a tabbed window that lets you have multiple pages or tabs open at the same time. Perfect for things like point of sale systems, dashboards, or any other app that needs multiple tabs. Let's get started and create it together. I have already created a simple WPF project. I am creating 3 folders, View Model, Model, and View, to follow the MVVM project structure. I am creating 3 modules, or you can say user control, that will be shown in tabs: Dashboard, Customers, and Settings. Now I'm creating 3 view models for each module user control: Dashboard View Model, Customers View Model, and Settings View Model. I'm using CommunityToolkit.mvvm from Microsoft. This library provides a robust and efficient way to implement MVVM. Now I'm setting the data context for all 3 modules to their view model, because each module will have its own functionality. Now, let's take a look at this navigation tab class. This class represents a single tab in our navigation system. This class has three main properties: header, content, and parent. Header is the title of the tab. Content is the view model that will be shown inside the tab, meaning a user control will be shown inside the tab, which I connected to this view model. Later in the video, I will show you how. Parent is the main view model that owns this tab. We are adding 3 modules to an observable collection with module name and tag. The tag will be unique and used to open the module. That's it for today's video. More in the next one.